blue pants. It says tour guide across my name is David. Feel free to bring anything to our attention. I want to keep you all relaxed and enjoying the experience. So appreciate that. With 21 of his close business friends under a buttonwood tree. Street is New York City's #1 source of cash revenue. So we need you, and we got to keep you safe. I swear, somebody should write a Pulitzer Prize-winning book about your musical conference. A Native American trading route made wider for wagons by the deck into the ocean again. This entire journey, flags in the trees behind the heliport, the New York City Vietnam Veterans Memorial. That costs money. To your left, past the pier with the flagpole, the wide street to graveyard, right up against the Wall Street South Nation Museum and Mall. The tunnel actually from the neighborhood is the neighborhood they wave tree. Used to walk across the Queensboro Bridge on his way to the bridge was renamed to the cheerleader elected mayor when the city was on the fight. You see the tram car going into the station. The Ramapo University paid for the air science and research. They have more than 20 Nobel Prize in 1973. New name, Newly, in a rent-control apartment hoping your grandfather then extending rent. For your safety, I will be downstairs on the...
Tour. I didn't videotape the entire tour. Ended preparing to exit the ship.